Do-it-yourself anti-aging face oil for dry skin. Make yourself an easy oil for dry facial skin with only 3 ingredients. Ingredients: 25 ml of almond oil, 25 ml avocado oil, 8 drops of vitamin E. Almond oil has important emollient, moisturizing and soothing properties. Avocado oil has emollient, nourishing, antioxidant and anti-aging properties. Vitamin E provides hydration and protects against free radicals. Directions: mix all ingredients and store the mixture in a glass, dark, caramel bottle. Apply with massage every night on clean skin. No need to rinse and do not use night cream. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed.